Hello everyone, in front of me is Realme C55 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first you need to open the settings, then find and select wallpapers and style and click on wallpapers. Now you can select some picture from your own albums, from carousel wallpapers or static. If you tap on more wallpapers and you've got network connection, as you can see mine is not working properly, you will be able to enter more online wallpapers. They are grouped into categories, so you'll be able to pick something that you like. But let me choose, for example, this one. Okay, this one. Tap on apply and then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I would pick both. And that's it, that will be all. As you can see from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and lock screens. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.